Hello students, Logan Phillips here, Professor P. On this video we're going to be talking about your course sticky note. Now as you can see here from our Blackboard course, I've entered into our basic dashboard situation. Everything works from top to bottom, scrolling up or down. You should be pretty comfortable with this environment. The very first thing you're going to see inside your Blackboard course is the course information sticky post. This is the exact same for every single course that I teach. If you come into your sticky post, you're going to find some basic information about the course. First, you're going to find out what the basic course name is. Then it's going to give you the assignment and submission policies, understanding that we do not accept any late work in the class. It's going to give you my availability when I'm free to answer emails or do those types of things. And then it's going to give you an overall breakdown if you're in a 16, 8, or 4-week class. So as you can see, for a 16-week course, Module 1 is due week 2 on Friday at 5 p.m. If you're in an 8-week course, Module 1 is due week 1 on Friday at 5 p.m. If you're in a 4-week class, Module 7 is due week 4 on a Wednesday. So you can see, working through this graph, you can know exactly when each module is due in the course. Our courses have 8 modules and a capstone module. Now for each of your unique courses, and this video is made for all sections of this class, so your dates might be different. If you scroll down, you will find the course calendar with dates. And so if you're in a 16, 8, or 4-week course, this will list you what course week it is, what day that week starts, what day that week ends, and any notes such as Module 1 due at 5 p.m. for a 16-week course on this particular capstone piece. Now, the sticky note is where you're going to get your most basic information. It's going to give you a definitive answer on what date assignments are due. If the date on the assignment itself on your student calendar is different than the date that I have given you with your tentative course pacing schedule, or it is different than your pacing schedule, the date on the assignment is wrong. This is the overall God document of your entire class. Module 1 on a 16-week course will always be due week 2 on Friday at 5 p.m. Module 4 on an 8-week course will always be due week 4 at a Friday at 5 p.m. Module 6 will always be due week 3 on Sunday in a 4-week course. This is the definitive answer of when things are due. The assignments are always due at 5 p.m. on the due date. And our due date is always on a Friday at 5 p.m. unless you're in a very short week course, which is that 4-week course format. All right, guys, if you have any questions, comments, concerns about your sticky post, just let me know. Otherwise, this is where you're going to find when your assignments are due and what modules are due when.